is up, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I am super excited. I'm going to show you my #1 most favorite way to make money online for doing absolutely nothing at all. This is so simple and easy to do. It's crazy. I absolutely love this method. You are going to love this. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. You do not want to miss anything that I have to say in this video. And also make sure that you stick with me until the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you a little hack of how you can earn $100 today with this one simple method. So stick with me until the very end of this video. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, or if you visit this channel and you are not subscribed, please make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box right over here. Click this bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week. Weekly videos, you guys. 1, 2, 3 videos every single week, teaching you tons of fabulous methods of how you can start generating income online. If this video is not for you at any time, please come back to this channel, browse through here. I have tons of fabulous methods that I am posting to this channel, teaching you tons of great ways to make money online. And then last but not least, if you are an entrepreneur like me and you want to make money online, you want life-changing results. I'm talking about quitting your 9 to 5. I'm talking about a life of freedom. I'm talking about firing your boss, working from anywhere in the world. Then what you want to do is follow this arrow right down here to where it says learn how to make money online. This is where I got started 5 months ago, and I have had insane results. You guys, I have searched around on the internet for so long, trying so many different businesses, and I have to say this is definitely the #1 way to make money online and get life-changing results. So don't forget to check that out. I've also left a link in the description of this video. Down in the very top of the description of the video, it says my #1 recommendation to make money online. Make sure that you check that out today. You do not want to miss that. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. All right, you guys, so my #1 most favorite method for making money online for doing absolutely nothing at all is with this application right here called Dosh. I've been using this for over a year, testing it, and I've never had any issues with it at all. It runs completely autonomously in the background, making you money for things that you would buy every day anyways. This is absolutely a no-brainer, and it gets even better, you guys, because they pay out in cold hard cash, they pay out in PayPal money, and they pay to Venmo as well. And I have this connected to my bank account, and I've cashed this out several times, you guys. I've earned well over maybe $200-300 with this application just for doing things that I would do every single day anyways. Like I said, it's absolutely a no-brainer. So let's just take a look at this real quick and stick with me through this whole video, because at the end, I'm going to show you a little hack of how you can actually earn up to $100 today, $10 at the least, just for signing up for this application and connecting your own debit or credit card to this application. And if you're thinking right now, that this is not secure, let's check this out, because I want to show you that it is 100% secure. And like I said, I've never had any issues with this application, and it is very, very highly ranked in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. All right, you guys, stick with me here. So we're going to go through this website real quickly, and I want to take you into the Google Play Store and Apple App Store as well, and just show you what this is actually ranked. And then I'm going to cast my actual phone screen to what you're watching right now, and I'm going to show you actual proof of money that I'm making and how much money exactly is in my bank account right now with this application. So make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, because you do not want to miss that. Okay, so looking at this right now, we're at their main website. I do want to point out that you need to be doing this on a tablet. This is an application that does not run on a desktop PC or a laptop. It has to be on like a smartphone or a tablet. So you can, like I said, you can get this in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And like I said, they pay in cash, literally cash. You can have this transferred to your PayPal account or your Venmo account as well. So you can, convert that into PayPal money if that sounds more interesting to you. But basically what's happening here at its simplest form is literally you are connecting your debit or your debit card, your credit cards that you would normally pay with every single day anyways. And by connecting, what I'm saying is you're basically adding them in to this application right here very, very securely. I know, when I first got signed up for this, I was like, I don't know about this. You're putting your bank account information into this. But this application is very, very secure. And when we get a little bit further down this web page right here, I'm actually going to show you a few things that proves just how secure it is. And like I said, I've been using this for well over a year, and I have not had any problems at all whatsoever. So let's just run through this real quickly here. Like I said, like they say right up here at the top, they say this is the easiest money you've ever made, and I 100% absolutely have to agree with that, because it happens automatically in the background, saving you money and paying it out. I think you have to have at least $10 to $20 to actually get it to actually pay out, but it's so simple to do. So like I said, you're going to be connecting your card. You securely link your credit card and debit cards, and whenever you pay with those linked cards, Dosh gives you cash back. You're going to basically be shopping and dining, paying with your linked cards at thousands of stores and restaurants, and you get up to 10% cash back automatically in your wallet. I think some of them honestly are even more than 10% cash back. They need to update that right there. And then another way that you can make money with this is actually by just referring it to your friends, family, and people that you know. And I'm going to share with you a little hack at the end of this video of how I recommend you doing this, and you can make a lot of money with this application. And then, like I said, you're basically shopping at all these different restaurants and locations, like such as Sam's Club, Pier 1 Imports, Pizza Hut. I know I'm eating a Pizza Hut a lot. You're going to see that when I cast my phone here. 1-800-Flowers. Just a quick story on that one right there. I actually bought my wife flowers on 1-800-Flowers. Didn't even know that this was connected to this application, and I spent well over $100 on flowers, you guys, and I think I got like $35 back automatically as soon as I pressed the button to actually make the purchase. My phone lit up and said, you've saved $35, and it goes directly into this application. There's nothing special that you have to do to actually apply for these offers. It does it all for you in the background. I absolutely love this. So any of these stores, and there's actually thousands, these aren't the only ones. If you shop at like Payless, I've never heard of Mama Foose, but there's so many. They even got Sam's Club on here. I know a lot of people shopping at Sam's Club. So just coming down here a little bit further, they have some comments and stuff of people that have used this application talking about how much they love it. And then here's the part right here, what I like the most, where they're talking about how secure this application is. And they really go into great detail to make this very, very, very secure for you. They say that they're serious about your security and they protect every piece of your data you share with us. They have SSL encryption, 256-bit encryption to ensure your information is protected. They have data safeguards. Dosh does not store any of your credit or banking information. All the credit card information is tokenized, and then it's vaulted in Braintree, a PayPal service. So again, I mean, super secure. They have anonymity. Dosh does not sell your personal information to any third parties. And then account authentication. They use multi-factor, which means and two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. So just another level of security right there. Absolutely love it. And then so right here, it kind of breaks down why they actually need your debit or credit card for this to actually work. So it's basically so that they can give you cash. Dosh connects securely with your credit or debit card. Then each time that you use that card to pay at stores and restaurants, Dosh automatically gives you cash back. And then right down here at the bottom, this application has been featured on all of these very well reputable news sources, CNN, they got Forbes, they got Business Insider on here, some of these other ones I'm not familiar with, but very, very well liked. All right, so just very quickly here, I wanted to bring you to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store and just check out the rankings, you guys, because it's very, very impressive. In the Apple App Store, it's been rated by 94.5 thousand people, and it's rated 4.7 stars, so practically 5 stars. People are very, very happy with this application, and I totally agree. It's literally a no-brainer to have this on your phone and have your cards linked to this. You're missing a ton of money that you could save every single month and get that money paid right back to you if you don't have this installed on your phone. Real quickly here, I do want to point out that I will be leaving a link that links you directly to this application on your smartphone or tablet that you can click on, and you'll get paid $10 just for signing up to Dosh and linking one of your own cards. I'll get a little bit of money as well. I think we'll both get $10 because they're running a promotion right now. I don't know how long that they're going to do that for. It's usually $5, but right now it's $10. So make sure that if you are going to install this application, that you go down into the description of this video, click on that link and use that. I would greatly appreciate that. And you'll get an extra $10 as well just for installing this application. So that's one way that you can make $10 in less than a couple of minutes just by installing this, if this sounds interesting to you. And like I said, I think you're absolutely going to love this. So jumping down the page just a little bit more here, I wanted to read a few things. It's pretty much what we've already talked about, but they kind of sum it up. So when you shop with Dosh and get cash back for shopping on items you already buy, you get money for shopping, eating, and and booking hotels. You get paid when you shop and dine out at places you visit every week, including Sam's Club, JCPenney's, Denny's, Forever 21, Pizza Hut, Sephora, and more. Literally, there is thousands of stores that they have that are affiliated with this application that you can actually start collecting your cash back for. You can even get real cash back on your hotel room. They've just recently added these hotels, and I believe you can get up to 40% cash back on hotels if you're booking your hotels and you have this application installed and you're paying with one of those cards that are connected to Dosh. So like I said, you're simply going to download the Dosh app, connect your card and debit cards, live life as you normally would. There's nothing special that you need to do. Every time you use those cards, Dosh searches for available offers. If it finds one, Dosh automatically redeems those offers and converts it into cold, hard cash, then deposits it directly into your Dosh wallet. You don't have to do a thing, and that is literally true. You don't have to do anything special. All right, you guys, so what we're looking at right now is the Dosh application actually installed on my phone that I use every single day. And as you can see, I've earned $41.34. This was just for this past month, I believe. And what I primarily do is I've linked my main credit card that I use every single day, that I pay for stuff online, that I pay for stuff in brick and mortar stores. And then every time that I pay for something and it's linked to Dosh, I'm going to capture cash back for those items. So if I went shopping at JCPenney's, I'd earn 3% cash back for everything that I bought at JCPenney's. Papa John's, 4%, that you're seeing on the screen right there. Denny's is doing 5% cash back. So one other thing I wanted to point out as well is if you're shopping online, if we click on this online tab, there's a bunch of stores online as well that you can be saving cash back on. If you check it out down there at the bottom, Sam's Club membership, you can get $20 cash back if you sign up for a Sam's Club membership online right now. If you're doing shopping at Papa John's and you're ordering, through the internet, through their app or anything like that, this works on their apps as well. I have the Pizza Hut app on my phone and we order Pizza Hut maybe once a week. And literally you're going to see that here in just a sec. But every time I order Pizza Hut, literally within seconds, I get a little pop-up saying that I've saved like $1.30. That's automatically deposited right back into my Dosh wallet that you see right up here at the top. So let's just jump over to that right now. So if we click on my actual wallet there, you can see all the different transactions. You can see a lot of Pizza Hut activity going on there. 68 cents, $1.07, $1.07, 68 cents. What else they got in there? I've shopped at Staples and saved $3.61. What else? Do we have some other stuff? But you can see a lot of activity going on there. There's the 1-800-Flowers one I was talking about. So I guess I exaggerated that one just a little bit, but that was a while ago. But you can see I saved $21 there. And that's a story, honestly. I didn't know I was going to save that money because I didn't even know 1-800-Flowers was linked to Dosh. But I saved $21 off of, ordering flowers off of, from 1-800-Flowers just for having this Dosh application installed and my card linked to that. So this happens constantly. You don't have to think about these things. You just shop as you normally would. And if things pop up in here, it's going to go out and automatically connect those for you. So simple. Absolutely love this application. So just moving just a little bit further down through here, I thought this was interesting. Chevron was actually connected to this. So every time I went and actually got gas, I was saving money on my gas. You can see I got $1.45 back in January, 32 cents, $1.15. And this is just for spending money at Chevron and getting gas and doing things that I would do normally every single day anyways. So tons and tons of savings there, you guys. Savings at CVS. There's the Pizza Hut ones again. So even Payless is on there. Exxon. So I can't stress enough just how much I love this application. So make sure that you check this out. And then I wanted to bring you over to right over here to where it says refer, because this is where it gets really exciting. And this is how you can earn $100 in a day. And this is what I highly recommend that you do. Like I said, they're running a little special right now. This is normally not $10. It's normally $5. So I usually do this maybe for a couple weeks to a month where they'll actually, run a little bit of a promotion. But what I've noticed is the highest that I've ever seen this is actually $15. Right now they got $10 going on, and it's usually hovering right around $5 just for referring people to this application and having them use this as well. So what I think is going to happen here is you're going to install this, and naturally you're going to be very excited because you're going to be saving money on things that you would do every single day anyways. And what I highly recommend that you do is you actually copy your own link right here, and all you do is click that copy my link, and it's going to give you your own little affiliate link. They make it very, very simple for you to take that out into Facebook, Twitter, and into text messages. So go through your phone book, you guys. Invite everybody that you know in your phone book that you think would be interested in this. Just send that out, and I guarantee you're going to get at least 10 people that know and trust you and are willing to test this out. All you're going to do is share your own excitement. And if you get 10 people to sign up, you're going to earn $100 right now just for sharing this with 10 people and getting them to sign up. This is very, very simple to do. If you want to take this even a step further, what I recommend is that you actually create your own YouTube video and take this out on the web, just sharing how much you love this app, and use the right keywords and stuff, and do a little bit of search engine optimization, and get a video out there and share this to a lot of people. And that's a great way to earn a lot of money with this Dosh application if you want to take this a step further. And that's the way that I highly recommend that you actually go out there and make a lot of money with this application. But this app honestly is a no-brainer. You're literally saving money for doing things that you would do every single day anyways. So there you have it, YouTube fam. Dosh is my #1 application that I would recommend to get paid for doing absolutely nothing at all. And that's because you're doing these things every day already anyways. Make sure that you check this out in the Apple App Store, Google Play Store. I've left a link down in the description of the video that you can click on that will bring you directly to this application in both the Apple and Android stores. You can click on that, it will bring you there. Like I said, you get paid $10 just for signing up, so don't miss out on that free $10. They don't always have that special running. Like I said, I don't know how long it's going for, but they usually run it from a couple weeks to a month, sometimes even less. So make sure that you get signed up immediately. One other important thing to point out is you have to link a card before they're actually going to pay you that $10. So just installing the application is not going to automatically give you that $10. You have to install the app, and you have to link one of your credit or debit cards to this application for that to work, but you'll see it automatically appear right in your Dosh wallet once you do that. And then last but not least, you guys, as always, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week. And then last but not least, if you find any valuable content in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That's super important. It helps to get my content out to as many people as possible. The YouTube algorithm absolutely loves that, and so do I, and I'm very grateful for every single like that I get. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online right up here in the top where it says learn how to make money online, and I've left a link for that down in the description of the video as well. Right up at the very top it says my #1 recommendation to make money online. Cannot recommend that enough. You guys have struggled for so long, and it has helped me out so much, and you can make some serious money following that method. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.